So this is the neighborhood. This is the house. And they put a sold sign out front. So it looks like it's probably definitely ours. There's a lot empty there next to us. And this house is empty as well. But this is ours.
You get paid now?
Mm-hmm. It's recording.
Okay.
So right when you walk in, nice light fixture. Right when you walk in, this is the study. So front door. And then right here is the bathroom, closet. It's a formal dining room. And back in here is this little area to sit and take your junk off. Garage.
It's the dining. Can you like zoom out?
No. Do you have molding and stuff?
Here.
And this is the kitchen. So this big island. Let me go over here. So from the kitchen, that's the front door. It's a pantry. That's where the fridge will go once we get one. A little room for a breakfast table. This is the command center, where a computer will go, like a little desk area. Lighting fixtures, they all stay. This giant family room. And our bedroom. Big bedroom. Nice big shower. Double sinks. Toilets in there. Big closet. It's huge. So this is the granite up close. It's kind of like brownish gray. These are the tall cabinets and the sink. More storage down here. Room for a bunch of bar stools. And then back here, this is where washer and dryer would go. And you have guest bedroom 1, guest bedroom 2, and then the guest bath. And that's pretty much all of it. So from the middle of the house here, it's the living room. To the front door. And see, the walls are this like beige color. It's not really white. It's like a beige off-white, which is really nice. But see the molding and a lot of the rooms have. And then in the back, so again, this is the command center where we can sit and you know, be in the whole house. Put our computer here and do bills and all that kind of thing. Outside, again, we have an empty lot next to us, but in the back there, that's all preserved, so that'll never get built on. Not a huge yard, but definitely room for a pool, and you know, we have enough land. The whole side of the house. It's the back.